Welcome back to Tech Grid Zone, your ultimate hub for discovering the latest and greatest tech for every corner of your home. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best indoor gadgets of 2024 that are designed to make life easier, cleaner, and even more enjoyable. Whether you're tech-savvy or just love smart solutions, these gadgets will impress. Let's explore these game changers together. Let's get started. First up, the ILIFE A20 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mopping. This powerhouse isn't just about looks. With a massive 6,500 PA suction power, it tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair on almost any surface. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation and a powerful 5,200 mAh battery, it's perfect for cleaning spaces up to 4,500 square feet. This robot vacuum is truly hands-off with a smartphone app and Alexa compatibility. Plus Y-shaped cleaning mode for thorough mopping. If you're looking for effortless, intelligent cleaning, this gadget is for you. ILIFE A20 Pro takes home cleaning to the next level. At number 2, we have the Qpets Automatic Feeder, perfect for pet parents on the go. This 4L dry food dispenser keeps your pet fed even when you're away. With customizable meal times and portion control for a balanced feeding schedule. Its stainless steel bowl ensures hygiene, while the anti-blocking design keeps food fresh and flowing. With dual power options, you'll never worry about interruptions in feeding. It's more than a feeder. It's a game changer for busy pet owners. Now, caring for your pet's diet is easy and hassle-free. Coming in at number 3 is the Costar Pebble 530 Wireless Doorbell. A sleek, stylish, and highly functional doorbell with a massive 1,000 feet range. Choose from 32 chimes, adjust the volume, and enjoy the LED light alert for added visibility. It even has a special info board for leaving notes or messages for visitors. Installation is a breeze, and with its weatherproof design and 1-year warranty, this doorbell is ideal for any indoor setting. Not only does it add elegance to your home, but it also offers convenience for you and your guests. Let's bring style and functionality to your doorstep with Costar Pebble 530. Fourth on our list is the ieGeek Wireless Indoor Security Camera. A compact, wireless security solution that offers crystal-clear 1080p video. This mini camera comes with motion detection, up to 120-day battery life, and two-way audio so you can stay connected with family or pets. Its AI detection system filters out non-human movement, reducing unnecessary alerts. It's quick to set up, works seamlessly with Alexa, and provides peace of mind at any angle, day or night. Home security has never been this easy and affordable. Protect what matters most with ieGeek. Finally, at number 5, we have the Bosch 13-place setting dishwasher, designed specifically for Indian kitchens. This freestanding dishwasher handles everything from oily masala stains to delicate glassware with 6 wash programs, including the intensive cut-eye program. With its eco-silence drive and water-saving features, Bosch makes dishwashing more efficient than ever. It's built to make your life easier and your kitchen cleaner. Bosch has truly mastered the art of washing dishes. Get sparkling, sanitized dishes in less than an hour without pre-rinsing. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best indoor gadgets of 2024. Each of these gadgets brings convenience and efficiency right into your home, giving you more time to do the things you love. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Grid Zone and never miss an update on the best tech trends. Which of these gadgets caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.